Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you a quick little video, hopefully it's quick, featuring the 10 outfits that I have organized and planned for my European winter vacation, my first ever European winter vacation and Scottish vacation. If you don't know, I'm heading to Scotland and Italy, and time is running out before I leave. You're lucky you're even getting me in makeup today, because as you can see by the try-on clips, I'm not wearing makeup because I am desperate to know how do people do try-on videos with full faces of makeup on, especially with cream and white sweaters. I do not have time. I don't have the time to go to the dry cleaners anymore. I don't have time to rewash any more sweaters. So as you can see, I'm very barefaced, no makeup at all in those try-on clips, so I apologize for that. I've even forgot to put my jewelry on, and we don't have any lighting in this room because I'm going to show you now. I'm going to insert now a clip of my usual room that I film in right now, what it looks like. I couldn't film in there because I've just got clothes and suitcases and just so much crap all over the floor. So I apologize about that. But I'm going to be filming while I'm gone, and if I feel like uploading while I'm away, I'll do that. So today's video, I'm going to share with you the outfits, and make sure you check out the description because I'm going to have everything that I can find linked, as well as like sizing and just any information that I don't mention in today's video. I'm going to keep looking at my phone because I do have the photos. I've taken photos of all my outfits here on my phone. The first outfit I want to share with you is, this is what I envision hopefully as kind of like my going out to dinners. If I go to bars or dinners, this is probably what I'll wear. But again, I've heard it's really hot inside, so I don't know. I'm just gonna have to see how I go with these outfits. But this first one, what I really love about this particular one is that I can take that sweater off, this red sweater that I've got. I can also change it for a different cream sweater that I have, but I can just take them off in general and just have my arms free if it's really hot inside, because my boyfriend said that depends on the heating. You know, some places you go, it's really hot inside, others not so much. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be way too hot inside, but we'll see how we go. I just feel the need to say this before I get into it. This is not a paid for video. This is not a paid for partnership with Lily Silk. I bought all of these pieces with my own money. I have to look at my receipts, but I think I spent about like $1,500 with Lily Silk of my own money, and I chose to go with Lily Silk for a lot of these pieces because I like the affordability. And again, like I said, this is not sponsored, okay? These are not gifted items. I genuinely love their products. The items I found were relatively still like they're expensive, but they're not super expensive. They're like relatively affordable for the quality that you get. They're basic, nice pieces. The quality of the material is really good. I love designer brands, you know this, but I didn't want to be out here buying lots of like $100 and $1,000 sweaters for this trip because I just didn't want to be doing that. So I chose to shop and spend a lot of my money with Lily Silk for my wardrobe, because I feel like they've got like a really good selection of basics, unless I buy something while I'm over there. But you'll see these Hermes shoes quite a lot in these looks because these are kind of like my dressy heels. Number 2 is again a Lily Silk sweater dress. As you can see, I've got one in black and I've got one in this kind of like oatmeal gray color, and I paired them both with those same tights, my Hermes boots, and I'm also bringing my mini Lady Dior. I wasn't planning on bringing this bag, but the more that we've kind of planned out this trip and the more that I've kind of like realized where I'll be staying, where I'll be going, I'm not going to be spending as much time in like the far country as we originally thought. We were planning to do a lot of trips up into like the Highlands, but because the weather's so cold and because it's going to be really dark and dreary, I'm hoping I'll be able to see that more in the summertime. So we're sticking more to like Glasgow, Edinburgh, like more of the cities, and same when we go to Italy, we're doing the same thing. So I hope that this can kind of work as more my evening night bag. And in this one look that I have with my black one, you can see that I've got this kind of tartan scarf. This, I don't know where I'll be able to find this, but I don't know much about these things. If you're Scottish, you might know about these types of things, but this is my boyfriend's family tartan colors. I didn't know this, but apparently different Scottish families have different tartan colors. So this is his color. And when he went to Scotland a few months ago, like he hadn't been home for like 4 years. So when he went back home, he brought me back that cashmere scarf, and I thought it would be really nice to wear his family tartan, you know, represent. This is quite like a nice polished, very put together, polished, very feminine, classy look. Like I mentioned in that haul video that I'm gonna have linked as well, I can throw my Canada Goose jacket over all of these looks. This next look is more my day casual look, or if I'm going to a bar but still want to be casual, or if I'm just going out for somewhere, like just somewhere out to dinner but not somewhere like nice or fancy. This is again a Lily Silk sweater. I told you, a lot of Lily Silk, but like you gotta hear me when I say it. And like I said, guys, this video is not sponsored, so if you've seen a lot of Lily Silk videos but you've always just kind of wondered, oh, like, are they actually any good? This is coming from someone who's literally spent like $1,500 with Lily Silk. They are worth it, okay? The pieces are worth it. They're good quality. And, you know, if something happens to them, I'm not going to be super devastated because, again, they didn't cost me thousands of dollars, but they'll keep me warm. They're really nice fitted pieces. So I've got this really nice sweater. These jeans are just super, super old. I don't know where I got them from. I think they were like pretty cheap as well, but I paired them with my Bogner boots, my YSL crossbody bag, and again, that Canada Goose. These jeans are very light, so I've tried them on with thermals underneath, and they work a lot better. Like they're a lot warmer. But I just wanted something like a little bit more dressier. I'm bringing my Nobody denim, my black skinny jeans as well. These jeans are like a little bit more dressy. They're kind of like a leather look, and I just feel like they work a little bit better than my denim. Next outfit I have is this one here, which is again a very, very similar variation from what I've shown you before. Pretty much everything else is the same, except I've just switched out the sweater for this particular one. It's just that really nice kind of deep red basic turtleneck. It's very light, so I'm hoping that this will be a good idea. I'm hoping that the light material will be a good idea because I can fit layers underneath it. I can fit like multiple thermals underneath it, and I can add scarves, and I can add like, you know, jackets and coats over the top. But I'm hoping that it's warm enough to keep me warm inside. If I wear too many thick things, people have told me that I could be sweating bullets inside. So I'm hoping this is thin enough to keep me warm inside and, you know, layer up when I go outside. And I can also mix this up with like a cream sweater and other sweaters that I'm also bringing. This is, again, more of my lighter looks. Like I'm trying to not always wear black. These are quite an old pair of jeans. I'm gonna see if I can have them linked. I'm pretty sure like a classic style. They're by Nobody Denim, which is an Australian brand. My Bogner lighter colored boots. And this is featured here with my Bichette Matisse. And, you know, I can put my cardigan over the top. I also have like this old scarf that I bought years ago from Club Monaco. It's just really nice and like thick and cozy, so I plan to take that with me as well. Oh, and before I forget, you probably won't see me with like my mittens or my beanies at all, except I'm going to show you one, but for the most part I don't really want to wear them. Okay, I'm bringing them in case I really need them, but I'm hoping just this will be like the general look of the outfit. And maybe if I go outside for long periods of time, probably as well when I go to the Christmas markets, I might wear a beanie, but this is just kind of like the general outfit vibes that I'm going for. This next one, again, more of my like casual day look. I've just switched out that sweater for like that creamy one by Lily Silk. I'm also thinking about bringing my Burberry scarf, but I don't know if it's gonna be warm enough because they are quite thin. And I know I could just wear that thick Club Monaco one, but I just thought this Burberry one looked really nice with this outfit. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I need it, but it's really quite thin, so it won't take up that much room in my suitcase, but will it keep me that warm? I don't know. Another outfit combination is just this one here that I've literally just changed up the sweater. This is my Vince sweater. Unfortunately, the other one that I'm gonna have as well, like a cutaway from a previous video, I had to take that back to the dry cleaner because when I dropped these pieces off, I told him, this one has a stain in it, can you get the stain out? And he's like, yeah, sure, no problem. I went back to pick up the pieces and I said to him, like, did you get the stain out? And he said, yeah, of course I did. He did indeed not get the stain out. So I had to then drive all the way back, and that is still at the dry cleaner. So I'm cutting it really, really fine. And I told him that. And like, I didn't mean to sound like a but I was like, I'm leaving the country. I gave this to you 2 weeks ago. Like, I need this back. Like, I need like a 24-hour turnaround, and you better not charge me for a 24-hour turnaround. So I have to pick that one up tomorrow. So unfortunately, I don't have it here with me right now, but just imagine that like this sweater as well will be in the mix. Like this really nice, beautiful cream turtleneck will also be in the mix. This top here is Lily Silk. Can you believe this isn't sponsored? I also have a pair of bottoms. I have the matching bottoms, and that I'm planning for that to be my airport outfit, like my comfy, cozy airplane outfit. But I've just gone ahead and put this top with jeans as well, because I feel like it works with both. And my airport outfit, I'm just gonna switch to the actual track pants. I've actually labeled this outfit as my Caitlin is on her period and really like hating life outfit. Unfortunately, my period and I will meet again, and we'll be meeting on this trip. Let's just hope to God that it's okay and smooth sailing and we're all good in the hood. But I wanted a really comfy outfit, just one that where I could just look like kind of daggy and just not care. This is all black because, like I said, when I'm on my period, I'm mostly hating life. And this is just my YSL bag with my Bogner boots. I also have these kind of like velour, I think they're velour, like velvet style Spanx leggings. I just wanted to bring leggings with me because, like I said, if I'm on my period or if I've eaten a big bowl of pasta, I don't want to be wearing jeans. And even though these are Spanx, you'd think they're really like uncomfortable. They're quite comfortable. They're not super tight around my belly. They're supportive, like they hold everything in, but they're not as uncomfortable as jeans can be, especially when you're on your period and you've got cramps. So I've paired that with this oversized sweater, this black oversized sweater. This is from The Row. And as you can see, I put this beanie on here because this is me completely like over it. Okay, I'm assuming that I'm gonna have a few cozy casual days, and usually when I'm on my period anyway, I don't like to wear color. I don't like to wear collared jeans especially, so I'll probably be sticking more to my black outfits. If you see me in this outfit in upcoming vlogs, that can be our secret code for Caitlin's feeling rough today. As you can see, I wanted to be able to mix and match, and I think all these pieces that I've showed you today really do mix and match quite well. You could argue that some of these outfits are kind of boring and just really simple. Yes, they are, but I wanted them to be quite simple. I wanted them to be basic and casual enough so that I could switch and mix and match quite easily. I didn't want any too like crazy, loud, very memorable pieces because I'm going to be wearing these pieces on repeat. And I felt like if I bought some really loud or like lots of really memorable pieces, people would just remember that, and seeing me in those pieces again and again, like it might get a bit old. So I think keeping things really simple, keeping to like more of a neutral color palette and just kind of making subtle changes here and there is what is like my tactic for this trip. So let me know what you think of these outfits, and if you have any suggestions for things that I can buy when I'm over there or anything that I could add to these looks, feel free to do so in the comments down below. Leave me some comments and some suggestions, because currently at this stage it's probably too late because I've left already, but I plan to be doing some shopping when I'm over there. So if you have any suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comments down below, and let me know which one's your favorite outfit, which one is one that you would wear. Do you think that I will fit in? I hope so. I hope I don't look like a tourist. I've tried to, you know, I'm sure you've seen as well in some of the cutaways, like I plan to kind of keep my bag under my coat as well, under my big puffer jacket. I hope that these looks kind of don't scream, hello, I'm a tourist, come mug me. That is not the vibe that I'm going for. So that's today's video. Share with me your thoughts in the comments down below. I can't wait to hear from you. I'm gonna have another one linked to you right here. If you haven't had enough of me just yet, feel free to join me over there. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Scissors. Do you think I look like a kid?
These are scissors. No. No, you don't. I like it. Hello.
That can be your introduction to my vlogs.
Is that the only scissors you got?
Maybe I have many scissors. Check that drawer maybe.